Hi, so in this video we're going to be using SohCahToa to work out the length in a right angle triangle. And the whole idea with it is we can use one of these ratios to be able to figure out the length of one of the sides of a triangle. So in this particular case, the first way to deal with this is always to label first. So opposite the angle that we're working on, we just label that as opposite. The longest side is hypotenuse, and then the one remaining is adjacent. Okay, and I'll just use the short form of that rather than writing out hypotenuse or adjacent. Okay, so let's have a look then at the ratios. We've got SohCahToa. And our job really is to pick one of those three ratios by knowing two pieces of information and trying to work out the third. So in this particular case, I've got the angle, which is 32 degrees, which is absolutely fine. So I can use SoH, which is sine, cosine, or tangent. No problems at all, and get that information from my calculator. However, I've got the hypotenuse, so that narrows it to either the sine relationship or the cosine relationship. Now, I'm actually looking for the opposite, so I'm going to use this one because I know the sine of the angle, I know the hypotenuse, and I need to work out the opposite. So this is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to write this as sine x equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. And then it's really just a case of putting in the correct numbers. So I know it's the sine of 32 degrees. And the opposite is the length I'm looking for, which is the length AC. Okay, and then the hypotenuse in this particular case is going to be 7. So what I need to do then is multiply both sides by 7 in order to figure out the value of the opposite. So if I times that by 7, times that by 7, those two will disappear and I get opposite. And then on the left hand side here, I can write 7 times sine 32 degrees. Okay, if I pop that into a calculator, I'm going to get a value of round about 3.70943 is the opposite. Okay, now the question has asked us then to actually write that to three significant figures. So my answer would be that the opposite, which is length AC, is going to be equal to 3.71 meters. Okay, hope that's okay for you. I appreciate this is 3-minute maths, but I thought it'd be worthwhile to do another example as well. So this is the second question, and if you go through to the description below, you can actually go to this link and download this worksheet and have a go at it for yourself. Okay, so this particular question then is going to be a very similar sort of idea, and we're being asked in this particular case to calculate the length CB, which actually again is the opposite, okay, to angle A, 67 degrees. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to label is the opposite, then I would label the hypotenuse, and then finally the adjacent. And then really, as I mentioned before, it's just a case of figuring out which ratio, whether it's the sine one, the cosine one, or the tangent one that I'm going to use. Well, in this particular case, I know the angle, so sine, cosine, and tan is absolutely fine. The opposite I'm looking for, so it's either going to be this one or this one, but I've actually got the adjacent, so therefore I'm going to use the tan ratio. Okay, so it's going to be tan equals opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, so let's plug in some numbers. The tan of 67 degrees equals the opposite, which is the bit I'm looking for, and the adjacent is 6.7. And as I did before, I multiply both sides by 6.7. Okay, times 6.7 there. Get rid of that. That's absolutely fine. Just leaves me with opposite on its own, which is what I'm looking for. And then I've got 6.7 times the tan of 67 degrees. Pop that in a calculator. I'm going to get something like 15.784 equals the opposite. Okay, so to answer the question then, three significant figures, well, that's going to be 15.8 centimeters, and that's going to be the length CB. Okay, and that's going to be 3 sig fig. Okay, I hope that's okay for you. I hope it gives you at least a brief overview of what happens when we use SohCahToa in order to work out the lengths of individual sides. If you follow the link below, you'll be able to download this worksheet. I suggest you have a go at it again without reference back to this video. See if you're okay with it. And then also there will be links on the post through to other types of questions which are very closely associated. Okay. Look forward to seeing you inside the next video.